In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert any audio file into an MP3 very easily on an Apple computer. Sometimes you get certain audio file formats that you can't use in certain programs. For example, M4As are not recognized by programs like Audacity, which I have here in the dock. Or sometimes you might want or you have a WAV file and it's too big and you want to compress it to a smaller file. You want to make it an MP3. So this is the easiest way to do it, is to use iTunes, which should be on any modern Apple computer or laptop. And if you don't, you can easily download it. So you load up iTunes, which I already have loaded up here. And all you do is go to the songs area of the library and just from your desktop, drag the audio file that you have that you want to convert into the program. So here it is here. All you do is click it once so that it's highlighted, then go to File, Convert, and Create MP3 Version. Now, if you don't see Create MP3 Version, you're going to have to change something in your preferences. So go to iTunes and go to Preferences, and in the General section of the Preferences, go down to Import Settings, click that, and whatever this is here, Import Using, you're going to change it to MP3 Encoder. I already have it on MP3 Encoder, obviously, but there'll be something else selected here, and you're going to change it to that, MP3 Encoder. And then you can also adjust the quality settings. I have it on high quality. And then you can also customize that even further, but that's more complicated and not something we really need to worry about in this video, but maybe it's something we can get into in another video. So again, you're going to hit MP3 Encoder, click OK again, and when you go to Convert under File, it should say Create MP3 Version. And then you just wait a little bit. Obviously, the longer the file, the longer it's going to take to convert. And just so I don't get confused, I'll delete the one that's highlighted first. Delete from library, delete song. I'll move it to trash so it doesn't stay in the iTunes media folder. It just keeps things a little cleaner. And now I have what's left is the MP3. Just click it and hold it and drag it over to your desktop again. And now you have the MP3 file on your desktop. And now you can also delete it from your iTunes library. Again, I just do this to keep things clean. And yeah, now this is an MP3, and it's a fully functional MP3. And that's it.